saw me cook is probably one of the simplest combinations of ingredients that you can put together to make a quick vegan meal for yourself, or for yourself and somebody else. Just garlic and cauliflower and broccoli and some mushrooms tossed together in olive oil, seasoned with soy sauce, and bam, that's it. You have a meal. Eat it with rice or eat it on its own, it's totally fine. And it's good too, so try it. Here it is, sitting on a bed of mashed potatoes to bring complete and utter dishonor to my Asian heritage.